The Math Laboratory Models pack is a pack that consists of 10 high-quality low-poly models for Unity game engine. Each model has 2 levels of details, which means in closer distances they have more detail, and at far distances they will have less details and less amount of triangles. The models in level of detail 0 have quad structures, which mean you can edit them in all 3D application easily depend on your needs. All models and prefabs have a standard direction and place for the pivots, position, rotation, and scale. And we have 2 levels of details and colliders for each mesh. In Math Laboratory Pack, you have folders for your meshes, maps, materials, and prefabs. And I have added another folder called Extra, which is my gift to you and contains some extra models with their maps and materials to create your own scene. These extra meshes are some simple, useful low-poly meshes that can be handy in your projects. For example, the demo scene in this asset is fully created from the main 10 objects and the meshes in extra folder. And by the way, another folder in extra directory is procedural material, which contains 2 of my created procedural material for brick and window fence. And for using them, you must first download and import free Substance for Unity asset from Asset Store and start to using and enjoying them in your project. And after importing Substance plugin into your Unity project, you can use this procedural material in your works easily. And after assigning them to a mesh, you will have a lot of parameters to control your material procedurally. And even you can duplicate your material and use it with different parameters and features in your other meshes. So, a procedural material can make your work easier a lot, and by purchasing this asset you will access to 2 precious procedural material as my gift. And at the final, let's have a quick look on the process of creating the demo scene with the models inside this asset.